What's up, guys? Today we're going to try to restore some headlights on a couple of our trucks. They've got a little haze and dinge to them, so we're going to try it out. We're going to be using this Blue Magic headlight lens restore, and then we're going to try to seal it off with some good old-fashioned turtle wax. We're going to be using the 14.4 polisher from Snap-on, so let's go see how it works.
This old man in the country that I know, no money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
Alright guys, as you can see, we got a good bit of oxidation and stuff on this lens, so we're going to try this out, and hopefully it's going to do us some good. The directions say shake container well, applying a circular motion, and then buff it out. So let's try it out. To apply it, I'm going to put some of it on just a rag and then wipe it on and use the polisher to give it a little buffing with it. Rub some of it on here and see what happens. It's real thin. Put another coat over here where it was really bad. Well, it does look a lot better. I think this is on the inside, so we'll get a little wax on it now and see if that helps it. All right, we're gonna put a little of this turtle wax on there and just see what happens. Well, that does look a whole lot better. Let me go over here and I'll show you guys what the other side looks like, because those about the same. All right, there you guys can see how dingy the driver's side is. The passenger side is the one we just got through, so it did make a big difference on it, so I guess it works. All right, guys, there you seen it. That was my first attempt on how to try to clean up some headlights, maybe try to get a little clear vision back in them. But we used the Blue Magic headlight lens restore, and then we sealed back over it with some good old-fashioned turtle wax. So if you guys got some better tips on how I did it, go ahead and shoot me something down in the comments, because like I say, I'm just trying to get them clean. Anyway, guys, like always, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and we will catch you guys next time. You have a great one.